So I've tested these 4 different lunchboxes, so you don't have to. And to look at the differences here. So first up, its size. These two are 800 milliliters. It's enough for like my 6-year-old to go to school with. So he has like his lunchbox for bread and then his lunchbox for fruit time, and those are perfect. Then you have a little bit larger, 1200 milliliters. So this is more for like an adult size container. And then you have this Sinnsally one, which is just a little bit different here. And this one has 1400 milliliters. It consists of 2 of these bins that you can easily take apart. So those are the main differences in size here. I think these are perfect for a little smaller children, especially if you divide your lunch and your fruit meal times here. And this one just contains a little bit more. I think I'd struggle with this 800 milliliter one for myself. So these two are what I give my son to school now, since I've tested them, and this one I take along with me. Now this Sinnsally one is also cool, but I bought this first and it has all this plastic. So if you're really into like that plastic free kind of vibe, like I'm doing with my kid right now, so this is a silicone wrapper, non-toxic it says on the box. So that's just a little bit different. But if you don't really mind, I really like this design here. So you have a strap that you can put on, so you can keep this together, which is really neat. And then you have these 3 dividers. First here is your cutlery. So this is also cool to take with you to like work. And then you have a little container here that's a little bit smaller, so that has a plastic lid which seals really well. And then you have the larger container right here. So as you can see, there's also a divider here. It's not that sturdy, but it'll hold your stuff. And then there's a little container here for your sauces. So I think this is a really cool complete set to take along with you, so you can eat like your salad and have a little salad dressing that you can pour over when you're ready to eat, which is really cool. Now it looks like a wood lid here, but it's actually plastic with a wood look. But still, it has this nice cool design here that I really like. For my son though, I'd like to give him plastic free containers. So all 3 of these have RVS containers, stainless steel containers. So this one is pretty cool. It has a leak proof top, although these have that as well, but just in a little bit of a different way. But this is a little bit easier for kids to open up. So you can open it up and you can see we've put a little fruit for him in there, and then you can easily put that back on. And this is a really easy container. Now it doesn't have any dividers, so it didn't come with any dividers anyway here for us, but still it's a nice little container here that you can also put some liquids in, and they can easily put this back up. Now it is leak proof, but you have to press down quite hard here, so I wouldn't recommend this one if you're really going to put some liquids in there. I think kids would struggle getting this over. So even when I do it with one hand, I have to press really hard there. So it's still difficult for me with one hand. And for 6-year-olds, he isn't able to do that really well by himself. Then come these. So this is also a stainless steel container. It's from Blockhutte. It's a German brand, German made. So that's pretty cool. And these have these cool retro clasps, which is really cool. Now the cool thing here is that you get a lining here. There's something to damage this one. You can also get a spare one, which is pretty cool. And then you also get 2 dividers in here. So there's a lot of room to divide your different things here. So like fruits and then crackers on the side, so it won't get soggy, which is pretty cool. So this also is leak proof, very solid. And this is the most solid one, I think. It's about the same as this one, a little larger here for Bambaw, but this just feels a little bit more solid here. So these dividers are pretty easy to put in there. Just drop them down on any place that you want. And because of the system here, it stays in place quite well. So that really is in place there. You can move it around just a little bit. And once you're done, you just close that back up and you're good to go. Now, I was a little bit worried my son wouldn't be able to do this. He's 6 and he was able to use the clasps, open it up and then close it back by himself. Now this is quite heavy, so it's a little heavier than other lunchboxes, than this one, but especially than this plastic one. But I think that's a trade-off for like having like a stainless steel one, which is really easy to clean. Now this other one, that's a little bit larger, so that's definitely okay for like your bread if you have a child. But this little bit larger one here is also pretty cool. It has 1 divider. I would have liked to see more dividers here, but it seems like it's also perhaps from the same factory almost, because they really copy the same RVS system here, where you can put in the divider, and then also the same system here with the rubber band, which keeps it nice and airtight. And you also get a second one with this one, the same as with the Blockhutte. So this is almost exactly the same, just one divider instead of two, and this one is a little bit larger, but I think you can get this one in larger sizes as well. So you can close that back up just as easily. Just flip that over and then put that up top. So this also is nice and sturdy. I think this one is just a little bit better build quality. It feels a little bit more sturdy and more secure than this one. So my recommendation would be, I would go for stainless steel for your kids, so plastic free. I really like this one, the Blockhutte. It's the sturdiest one here, and I also give him this one with the leak-proof lid, which is just a little bit lighter, and I think perfect for like his sandwiches or stuff. Then this one is also pretty cool. It's a little bit larger, but I do like the Blockhutte just a little bit more, and then this one is just a different setup here. But if you don't mind that plastic, I really like how they did this. So just easy to build back up. Just put that in there, put your little utensils in here, and then pull over the strap again, so that's nice and tight. So if you want my one recommendation, I'd go for the Blockhutte.